How to fix Game Console R36S not working. If you're having issues with the Game Console R36S and it's not working properly, don't worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through some easy troubleshooting steps to help you get your console up and running again. So let's get started. First things first, let's check the power supply and cables. If your Game Console R36S isn't turning on, make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the console and the power outlet. If you're using a power strip, try plugging the console directly into a wall outlet to rule out any issues with the strip. If the screen is still blank or showing no signal, try switching to a different HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes a faulty port can prevent the console from showing up. If that doesn't work, try connecting the console to a different TV or monitor just to rule out any issues with the display. If a Game Console R36S is still not working after checking the cables and HDMI connection, it might help to do a reset. To reset the console, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the console shuts down completely. Then turn it back on and see if that resolves the issue. So there you have it, some quick fixes to try if your Game Console R36S isn't working properly.